So good day everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that challenged the very foundation of mathematics, the Unit 6 hyperbolic and non-Euclidean geometry. So let's travel back in time and meet the brilliant minds who turned the word geometry upside down. First up, we have Janus Bolyai, the discovery of non-Euclidean geometry. So in his early life, Janus Bolyai was born in 1802 in Transylvania. His father, Farkas Bolyai, was a renowned mathematician who had dedicated his life to proving Euclid's fifth postulate. So Janus, following his father's footsteps, pursued the career in mathematics, later become a military officer. So the breakthrough? In 1823, Janus Bolyai made a groundbreaking discovery. He constructed a system of geometry that was consistent but contradicted Euclid's fifth postulate. So his findings, published in appendix to his father's book, laid the foundation for non-Euclidean geometry. So Janus Bolyai took his father's work to the next level. So in 1823, he constructed a completely new system of geometry that didn't rely on Euclid's parallel postulate. So his findings were revolutionary that parallels postulate. So appendix was the supplementary section at the end of Farkas' book. So as you can see in the figure, this is Euclid's parallel postulate. So, in particular, si Bolyai daw ay naging obsessed sa fifth postulate, so a fundamental principle of geometry that stood for over 2 millennia. So, this postulate state that only one line can be drawn through a given point such that it is a parallel to a given line does not contain the point. Pati na rin ang corollary nito na ang interior angle ng isang triangle ay naging 180 degrees or two right angles. So his legacy, Janus Bolyai work remained largely unrecognized during his lifetime. Despite the lack of immediate acclaim, his revolutionary contributions to geometry paved the way for the development of hyperbolic geometry and its profound impact on mathematical thought. So sadly, his work wasn't recognized during his lifetime. Pero ngayon, si Janus Bolyai is celebrated as one of the pioneers of hyperbolic geometry. So let's now talk about Carl Gauss, the mathematical genius ahead of his time, or he is the prince of mathematicians. So in his early work, Carl Friedrich Gauss, born in 1777, was a renowned mathematician known for his extensive contributions across various fields. His early work included significant advancement in number theory, astronomy, and physics. So dito, si Carl Gauss ay isang So fun fact about Carl Gauss is he constructed the 17-sided hep heptadecagon constructed by Gauss. So in this figure, in 1796 during Gauss' Annus Mirabilis at the major milestone, the age of 19, he achieved reconstructing a regular seven-sided figure using only a ruler and compass. So in non-Euclidean exploration, Gauss independently of Bolyai. He explored the implication of rejecting Euclid's fifth postulate. He developed his own non-Euclidean geometry, but chose not to publish his findings, fearing the potential backlash from the established mathematical community. So his influence and legacy, although Gauss' non-Euclidean geometry remained unpublished, during his lifetime, his profound impact on the mathematical thought was evident in his work, laid the groundwork for the further exploration of geometries and their application. So kahit hindi na-publish ang non-Euclidean geometry ni Gauss, naging sobrang influential nito. Ang ideas niya ay nagbigay ng foundation para sa future discovery, lalo na sa physics at relativity. So lastly is Nikolai Lobachevsky, the Copernicus of geometry. So he is a Russian pioneer. Nikolai Ivanovich Lobachevsky, 1792 to 1856, was a Russian mathematician who dared to challenge the very foundation of geometry. His work on non-Euclidean geometry, developed independently of Gauss and Bolyai, revolutionized mathematical thought. So in his geometric innovation, Lobachevsky's groundbreaking work, Geometrical Research on the Theory of Parallels, presented a system of geometry where the parallel postulate did not hold true. This led to development of hyperbolic geometry. So in his work, Geometrical Research on the Theory of Parallels, he boldly rejected Euclid's parallel postulate just like Bolyai. His work created what we call hyperbolic geometry, where parallel lines behave very differently than we're used to. So in this figure, the hyperbolic Bolyai-Lobachevskian geometry had also been working along very similar lines as Bolyai to develop a geometry in which Euclid's fifth postulate but did not apply. So his work on hyperbolic geometry was first reported in 1826 and published in 1830, although it did not have general circulation until some time later. So in his recognition, though initially met with skepticism, Lobachevsky's work gained recognition over time. He is now celebrated as the visionary who challenged conventional wisdom and opened new frontiers in geometry. So kahit noong una ay skeptical ang mga tao sa kanyang work, eventually nakilala si Lobachevsky bilang visionary. So in summary, these three brilliant minds, Janusz Bolyai, Carl Gauss, Nikolai Lobachevsky, helped reshape our understanding of geometry. Their courage to challenge conventional ideas remind us of the power of thinking differently. So the challenging Euclid's fifth postulate the path to the hyperbolic geometries. Ito po yung mga challenging sa Euclid's fifth postulate. Number one, Euclid's fifth postulate. Euclid's fifth postulate state that given a line in a point not on the line, there is exactly one line through the point that is parallel to the given line. For centuries, mathematicians attempt to prove this postulate from Euclid's other axioms. Pero for centuries, mathematicians attempt to prove this postulate using the other four axioms. However, they always failed. So suggesting something deeper was at play. Second, Gauss, Bolyai, and Lobachevsky independently realized that Euclid's fifth postulate was not necessary consequence of the other axioms. They explored the possibility of geometries where the postulate did not hold true. So this marked the beginning of exploration of alternative geometries where the fifth postulates doesn't hold true. The third is the birth of hyperbolic geometry. So their work led to the development of hyperbolic geometry, a non-Euclidean geometry where there are infinitely many lines through a point parallel to a given line. So this profound departure from the Euclidean geometry opened up a new world of geometric possibilities. So dito, by the challenge the fifth postulate, so this mathematician created hyperbolic geometry, a new type of geometry where, through a point not on a line, infinitely many lines can be drawn that are parallel to the given line. So this was a revolutionary idea that demonstrated the geometry is not one size fits all. It shows that alternative mathematical words are possible. In conclusion, the groundbreaking work of Janusz Bolyai, Carl Gauss, and Nikolai Lobachevsky mark a vital shift in understanding of geometry, challenging Euclid's fifth postulate and paving the way for non-Euclidean geometries. So their contributions not only expanded the realm of mathematical thought, but also laid the foundation for application in diverse fields like physics, computer science, and even art. So as we continue to explore the intricate connection between geometry and other disciplines, the legacy of these pioneers remind us of the power of challenging, establishing norm, and embracing innovation. So the journey of geometric discovery is far from over, holding endless possibilities for our future. That's all po. Thank you.